The big story coming out of Uttar Pradesh is Saturday. The two warring factions of the Samajwadi Party have gotten into a huddle to plot their next step after SP Supremo Mulayam Singh Yadav expelled his son and Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav from the party last evening. Clashes between supporters of both leaders have been reported from outside the party headquarters in Lucknow. Akhilesh has called a meeting of candidates whose names were announced by him yesterday. The meeting has been scheduled ahead of Mulayam's meeting with his nominees. It will be interesting to see how many SP leaders turn up at both these meetings, especially since there are 186 people who have been named by both these factions. There's massive security deployment across the state after Akhilesh's supporters staged massive protests against his expulsion through the night. Let's go across to India Today's Padmja Joshi, who's with us live from Lucknow. Padmja, over to you. Take us through all the action on the ground.
Well, Simi, in fact, right now we're at the party headquarters and I can tell you that about 15 to 18 ministers are over here. Several candidates, ministers and MLAs are here at the party headquarters, and several candidates are also here. This entire road, mind you, has been barricaded because a large number of supporters of the various factions tried to make their way to the party headquarters. There was anticipation that there could be unruly scenes, and which is the reason why this entire stretch has been made off limits for anyone who doesn't have to do with the Samajwadi Party, any of the candidates, MLAs, ministers, or the senior leadership of the party, and of course the media. We're the only ones allowed inside. That aside, there were these sporadic protests where a group owing allegiance to Akhilesh Yadav turned up here. They raised slogans against Shivpal Yadav, Mulayam Singh Yadav. A very interesting aside, Simi. In fact, right next to the party office, there are these number of memento shops and where you can buy party banners, caps. Remember, this is just a few days away from elections actually being announced. So obviously all of these things were in high demand, but now these people will have a bit of a conundrum on their hands because, for example, take a look at this particular banner sticker. This is something that party workers would have bought. They would have taken to their various constituencies for the purpose of campaigning. But here you have a banner where Mulayam Singh Yadav and Akhilesh featured together. So a smiling Mulayam is saying, "Kaho dil se Akhilesh phir se." It seems that that is going to be a thing of the past. Let's try and see some of the people over here. हाँ, ये बताइए कि आपकी दुकान में यहाँ पे तो मुलायम और अखिलेश साथ साथ में है, पोस्टर में तो अब नए पोस्टर छपवाने की तैयारी
साथ हैं, सब एक हैं, कोई अलग नहीं है।
पार्टी में टूट हो गई तो सारा कैंपेन का मटेरियल बर्बाद हो जाएगा।
टूट आप लोग चिल्ला रहे हो, हम लोग नहीं मानते टूट को। ये टूट नहीं है कुछ भी, ये आप लोग चिल्ला रहे हो।
तो कितने सालों से आप ये समाजवादी पार्टी का ये मटेरियल?
जब समाजवादी शुरू हुई थी उसके और 20 साल पहले से काम कर रहे हैं।
खुद समाजवादी हैं आप?
हम समाजवादी नहीं, हम बिजनेसमैन हैं।
पर आपके लिए सारा समाज, let's take a look at some of this material which is over here. All of these banners, flags of the Samajwadi Party, even caps and pagdis. Take a look at some of this campaign material here. These caps which have Akhilesh and Mulayam featured prominently alongside, both of them looking very pleased and happy. This is not something which is apparent as of now. But people here on the ground, Simi, are still convinced that in fact things can still be resolved. Even as we speak, in fact, we are learning that Azam Khan is making a last-ditch effort to try and talk to both the sides. There are a large number of ministers and MLAs, a substantial number of ministers and MLAs who are here at the party headquarters. Shivpal Yadav is also inside. Mulayam Singh Yadav is expected, but right now he is closeted with Azam Khan, and according to our sources, there are efforts now to try and talk to the Samajwadi Party national president and try and broker a truce of some kind. Some people are over here. Let's try and get a word from them. आप यहाँ पर कहाँ से आए हैं और आप क्या चाहते हैं? जो इतनी झगड़े की बात हो रही है बाप और बेटे में, चाहते क्या हैं आप एक समाजवादी के तौर पे?
हम समाजवादी पार्टी के यह चाहते हैं कि साइकिल हमारा चुनाव निशान है और उसमें कोई झगड़ा नहीं है। सब हमारे लिए, जनता के लिए सब बराबर है।
असली समाजवादी कौन है, नेताजी या मुख्यमंत्री?
नहीं, असली समाजवादी तो माननीय मुलायम सिंह यादव जी।
तो अगर पार्टी टूटेगी तो समाजवादी, असली समाजवादी पार्टी किसकी होगी, मुलायम सिंह यादव की या अखिलेश की?
हमारे यहाँ सिर्फ एक ही नेता है, मुलायम सिंह यादव। समाजवादी पार्टी हमारे लिए सब आदरणीय है, अखिलेश यादव। शिवपाल जी, मुलायम सिंह जी, लेकिन पार्टी का फाउंडेशन हमारे नेताजी ने रखा है। हम सिर्फ नेताजी को मानते हैं। हम अपने प्रत्याशी अजय नरेश यादव पुत्र
In fact, let me tell you, Simi, what is also important over here is that we are outside the Samajwadi Party office, and this is the place where everyone who owes allegiance to Shivpal and Mulayam is turning up. So it's the presence of who is where is being taken as an indicator of who they owe their allegiance to. Anyone who is going to Kalidas Marg is owing allegiance, is pledging their allegiance to Akhilesh Yadav, and anyone who turns up here at Vikramaditya Marg to the party office is being considered as someone who is throwing in his or her lot with Mulayam Singh and Shivpal Yadav. Some old people also over here, a large number of these Karyakartas have come in fact from far-flung places, quite concerned about what is happening to the party. समाजवादी पार्टी के समर्थक हैं आप, कहाँ से आए हैं और यहाँ क्यों आए हैं?
बुलंदशहर से आए हैं जी।
क्या चाहते हैं आप?
अभी मुख्यमंत्री रहने चाहिए हमारे।
तो अखिलेश यादव को पार्टी से निकाल दिया, मुलायम सिंह यादव ने क्या गलत किया है? पार्टी को जो चुनाव की जो आपकी उम्मीदें थी उनको कम किया है?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ, ये सही है।
आपको लगता है कि सुलह हो सकती है?
बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए सुलह तो। सुलह ही होगी तो ही अच्छा होगा।
अच्छा होगा, इसमें यही फायदा।
समाजवादी पार्टी टूटेगी तो किसके साथ जाएंगे?
समाजवादी पार्टी सोचेगी, देखिए हमारा विचार तो करना बात की बात है, अभी तय करें पहले ये फैसला, क्योंकि पहले यही हम नेताजी के साथ ही।
For a large number of party cadre here, hope still floats, Simi. They are still hoping that at the end of the day, some kind of peace can be brokered. It is going to be, although, a long drawn process, because already Ram Gopal Yadav, we are learning, has called for a meeting tomorrow. It was declared unconstitutional, illegal by Mulayam Singh Yadav yesterday. That incidentally was the reason why this disciplinary action was taken against Ram Gopal Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav both. But that meeting is going to continue. That emergency meeting tomorrow at 11 a.m. is going to go ahead as had been announced earlier, as had been announced day before yesterday. It's only the venue that has changed. Meanwhile, right here, there is still some anticipation about the arrival of Mulayam Singh Yadav. It's going to be a long day for all these party workers who have assembled in these various places across Lucknow. Still, at the end of the day, with the hope that maybe the father and son will make up and the prospects of Samajwadi Party will be rescued somewhat. Simi.
Sanjay Joshi getting us a sense of things on the ground, telling us how people who are turning up outside Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav's residence are being seen as his supporters, and those turning up outside the SP headquarters are being seen as Mulayam and Shivpal's supporters. A big show of strength outside Akhilesh Yadav's residence there. Pictures on your screens coming from outside Akhilesh Yadav's residence, where he's called a meeting of his candidates. He announced a list of 235 candidates last evening, following which he was expelled from the party by his father and SP Supremo Mulayam Singh. All right, we're also getting in a report from India Today's Shiv Pujan Jha. Let's cross live.
Mulayam Singh Yadav's residence bears a deserted look. A huge crowd that had gathered here, jubilating, shouting the names of Mulayam Singh Yadav, has just preferred to move away to the residence of Akhilesh Yadav. And the crowd has been replaced by security personnel. The entire area has more or less been cordoned off, with security personnel deployed in almost every nook and corner. Possibly, fear is rife that the supporters of Akhilesh may indulge in some kind of vandalism or some kind of violence. So this is what the family politics has boiled down to, raising the question, is it that Mulayam Singh Yadav is being paid in the same coin? I'll ask my cameraman to pan a bit and show you the kind of heavy deployment of security personnel that is here. Mulayam Singh Yadav had ditched on various occasions his patrons. So now, is it the turn of his own son? Now the million-dollar question that remains: who will wrest control over the party symbol? In a short while from now, there is bound to be two separate meetings. A meeting at the Samajwadi Party office that has been called by Mulayam Singh Yadav. Another meeting called by Akhilesh Yadav. Now, which side most of the people goes to? That's a big question, and that will possibly decide the fate of Samajwadi Party, the fate of Uttar Pradesh. Reporting from Lucknow, Shiv Pujan Jha for India Today.
All right, let's now go across to our Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey, who's with us on the phone line. He's outside Akhilesh Yadav's residence. Brijesh, a massive show of strength outside Akhilesh Yadav's residence as opposed to deserted pictures that we're seeing outside Mulayam Singh's residence.
Oh yes, and all the supporters of Akhilesh Yadav, they have made it a point to assemble outside 5 Kalidas Marg, which is Akhilesh Yadav's Chief Minister's residence. And as you can see in visuals, there are hundreds of placards and slogans shouting supporters of Akhilesh Yadav, and they are saying that the common theme is that that they believe in the leadership of Akhilesh Yadav. They support as he is the future leader of Samajwadi Party, and there is also a great degree of discontent with Shivpal Yadav and Amar Singh, and they are saying that Amar Singh is the biggest reason why there is this internal feud between the family, and they only hope and pray that the situation comes to normal, and under leadership of Akhilesh Yadav, Samajwadi Party fights this election and wins it.
Right, and Brijesh, you also told us there are 186 people who've been named by Mulayam Singh Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav as prospective candidates for the upcoming elections. Do we have any idea about a rough number of how many people are actually expected to turn up at Akhilesh Yadav's meeting, and how many are going to go with Mulayam?
What we know for sure is that as of now, 210 to 220 people are inside. There are MLAs are approximately around 100 MLAs are inside, and apart from that, several MLCs and also candidates who have been given tickets are inside 5 Kalidas Marg. What will be extremely interesting to me would be the fact that that once the meeting at Akhilesh's residence gets over, only then it will be interesting to watch as to how many of them from here go to Samajwadi headquarters. That will be a very interesting thing, as both sides are caught in this battle of supremacy in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and both sides know for sure that if they cede an inch, then they will have to lose the battle, and this is the reason why both sides are not willing to blink at this crucial juncture, which is approximately 2 months before elections are held in Uttar Pradesh.
Fireworks in battleground Uttar Pradesh after Akhilesh Yadav was expelled from the Samajwadi Party by his father and SP Supremo Mulayam Singh late last evening. There were protests throughout the state late into the night last evening. Now we're being told that there are 2 parallel meetings that are underway. One at Akhilesh Yadav's residence, the other that is scheduled to take place at the SP headquarters in Lucknow, where Mulayam is expected. Let's go across now to our UP Bureau Chief Shiv Pujan Jha, who's with us live this morning. Shiv Pujan Jha, take us to the developments on the ground. You've been reporting how lots of people are turning up at Akhilesh Yadav's residence, whereas Mulayam's residence wears a deserted look.
Yes, definitely Mulayam's residence bears a deserted look. Now, big question that is presently being asked is that, I will ask my cameraman to show you the visuals, how there has been heavy deployment of police personnel at the residence of Mulayam Singh Yadav. Till yesterday, there was a beeline of people, most of them being ticket seekers, as well as the people who supported Mulayam Singh Yadav. But after that crucial decision to oust Akhilesh Yadav, in fact, we see that not a single person has come to this particular place. And just a short while ago, Azam Khan had come in a last attempt to ensure that some kind of peace might prevail within the family and Samajwadi Party remains intact. There are other people who want that father should forgive his son. That is the kind of politics which is presently at play. But then both the sides are refusing to budge. There is adamant posturing on both the sides, and we know for sure that in the meeting that has been called by Akhilesh Yadav, it is thickly being attended by most of the MLAs, most of those people whose names have featured in both the list prepared by Mulayam Singh Yadav and the list prepared by Akhilesh Yadav. So maybe in the couple of hours time from now, we are expecting a lot of politics being played out in the Samajwadi Party and in Uttar Pradesh.
All right, Mulayam Singh expected to reach the SP headquarters any time now, where his supporters have been gathering. However, the show of strength outside Akhilesh's residence is quite remarkable. Hundreds of people there turning up to show their support for the Chief Minister. We're being told that a meeting is underway, where about 200 nominees who've been named by Akhilesh Yadav as part of his list of candidates for the upcoming polls are meeting the Chief Minister as we speak. There were fireworks in Lucknow last evening after Mulayam Singh Yadav expelled his brother Ram Gopal Yadav and son Akhilesh Yadav from the party. Shri Pujan Jha, explain to me, does it look like a split is now imminent? Are there any efforts being made at reconciliation?
Well, I think Akhilesh definitely has reached a point of no U-turn, and there is so much of element posturing that exists presently in both the groups, that is Mulayam Singh Yadav camp and Akhilesh Yadav camp, that it appears more or less difficult. The message has already been sent loud and clear to the electorate, to the masses. Akhilesh Yadav wanted to toe the line, to pursue the plank of development. That's the reason why we saw last week how he was on an inauguration spree, inaugurating more than, say, 900 projects in less than a week's time. Roughly of approximately 60,000 crores of rupees. So that was the development plank which Akhilesh wanted, and he was of the firm opinion that possibly the development angle would give him rich dividends. But it remains to be seen whether the party remains intact, since most of the people, most of the MLAs, most of those people who have been named in both the list, approximately 187 of them, they are still stuck at the residence of Akhilesh Yadav, and they are still having their meeting, which means the time which was given by Mulayam Singh Yadav for a meeting, that time is fast passing away. As such, we find a situation wherein most of the people, they seem to be siding with Akhilesh Yadav, while very few supporters for Mulayam Singh Yadav. But then there are others also who want that there should be peace within the family. This particular group, which is just now passing through, in fact, this particular group has been going through the residence of Akhilesh Yadav as well as the Samajwadi Party, and they have now also come to the residence of the Mulayam Singh Yadav, shouting slogans. They want that the party should be united. Remember, it's a very, very crucial juncture. We remembered earlier that it was widely being talked out that possibly there would be a two-pronged contest in the state of Uttar Pradesh between the BJP as well as, if there is possible, alliance between the Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party. That does not seem to be happening. Right now, the situation which is brewing in the political cauldron of Uttar Pradesh is that possibly it may be a multi-pronged contest. Even the BSP all of a sudden seems to be springing up, rising on its feet, and possibly it will benefit from this feud which exists within the family. The BJP definitely, again, happens to be one of the gainers here, and the Congress is definitely trying to be the fence-sitter at this stage, watching closely the movements that presently are in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and it may side with Akhilesh Yadav.
Shri Pujan Jha, thanks so much for that ground report. We're going to keep coming back to you for more developments. Let's listen into some of the political reactions that we're getting in on this big development in Lucknow.
नहीं, ये शक्ति प्रदर्शन नहीं है, ये आस्था है। और कौन किसके तरफ है, आज पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश का जो समाजवादी पार्टी का वर्कर है, नेता है, विधायक है, संगठन है, वो सब माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के साथ खड़ा है। आज वही आप देख रहे हैं कि पूरे प्रदेश का, क्योंकि एक एक जन भावना जो प्रदेश की है वो चाहती है कि माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने जिस तरीके से उत्तर प्रदेश में काम किया है, जिस तरीके से प्रदेश को सजाया है और जिस तरीके से उत्तर प्रदेश में सांप्रदायिक ताकतों को रोकने का काम किया, क्योंकि ये साजिश नेताजी को गुमराह करके उन लोगों ने कराई है जो सांप्रदायिक ताकतों की मदद करना चाहते हैं, जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की मदद करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उनके मंसूबे माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी उत्तर प्रदेश में पूरे नहीं होने देंगे।
As far as alliance with Samajwadi Party is concerned, the overall consensus among the party workers and the leaders is that we should go it alone. And we should not have any alliance with any party, including Samajwadi Party or Akhilesh Yadav's faction. So this is the decision as of now.
हमारी भी पसंद एज ए मुख्यमंत्री अखिलेश है, लेकिन नेता हम लोग के मुलायम सिंह यादव जी।
तो ये कहाँ तक जाएगा, आपको क्या लगता है कहाँ तक ये मामला जाएगा?
अब काफी कुछ तो चला ही गया है। आज कोशिश की जाती है बचाने की, आज कोशिश की जाती है बचाने की, हम भी प्रयास करेंगे।
क्या पार्टी आप अंदर बात करेंगे इस बात को कि वापिस अखिलेश यादव को?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
क्या
मौका दिया गया, नेता राय लिए तो कहेंगे।
जबरदस्ती कुछ लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी के इशारे पर षड्यंत्र कर रहे हैं और आगे आने वाले चुनाव में जनता जवाब देने का काम करेगी।
आप लोगों ने क्या रणनीति बनाई? षड्यंत्र भारतीय जनता पार्टी के इशारे पर रामगोपाल यादव जी कर रहे हैं।
अब जनता जवाब दे देगी कौन षड्यंत्र कर रहा है। जब नेताजी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे थे और निष्कासन का पत्र भी नहीं टाइप था, तब जबरदस्ती कुछ लोग कह रहे थे कि नहीं अभी यहाँ घोषणा कर दीजिए। तो ये जनता देख रही, जनता जवाब देगी।
अच्छा, ये बताइए भदौरिया जी, क्या आगे क्या रणनीति आप लोगों ने बनाई? विधायकों से यहाँ मैंडेट साबित कराया जाएगा, उसके बाद दोबारा नेताजी के पास जाएंगे?
तो देखिए, ऐसा है, सारे विधायकों का समर्थन माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के साथ है। और वो दिखेगा आपको। और कल भी जो विशेष राष्ट्रीय अधिवेशन बुलाया गया है उसमें भी पार्टी के सारे लोग माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के साथ हैं।
लेकिन शिवपाल यादव जी ने पत्र लिख के कहा है